2011 Mercedes-Benz E350 Sports Sedan. Rear view backup camera. P02 Premium Package. Adaptive High Beam Assist. Power driver seat with memory. Command system with navigation. Power passenger seat with memory. Heated front seats. Split folding rear seats. Electronic trunk closer. Call RBM of Atlanta today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.